The Pixel XL features 2016's top-of-the-line specs and is a fine vessel for Android Oreo. This VR-capable phone has a suitably fast processor, even by 2018 standards, and a superb camera, all sandwiched into a funky design. The Google Pixel XL, along with the Google Pixel, are the first phones made, almost entirely, by Google, and it's the best way to experience the latest and greatest that Android software has to offer. The Pixel XL launched with Android 7.1 Nougat, runs Android 7.1.2 and was among the first to get Android Oreo. Going with that latest and greatest theme, it was also the first phone to get Google Daydream View VR headset powers. The phone debuts a Snapdragon 821 chipset, with 4GB of RAM inside of a glass and metal body that's half iPhone 7, half Samsung. The camera is touted as best in class, and the 5.5-inch Quad HD screen looks superb. The good news is that, as funky as it looks, the materials are solid, strengthened Gorilla Glass 4 for the top third around the rear fingerprint sensor and camera, and polished anodized aluminum on the bottom two-thirds where your hand wraps around the phone. Clutching this phablet shouldn't be a problem if you could get the taller Nexus 6P in your hands. It measures 153 by 76 by 8.58 mm, and tapers off to a depth of 7.31 mm around the back.